With a premium headlight, what are you really buying? Well, it's contrast. And we're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
I call it bulb analysis paralysis. You could be going through a catalog or a website looking at bulbs, and you'll see several different price points. You'll see the basic bulb and a premium bulb and maybe 2 or 3 different really high quality bulbs. All are the same wattage. So what are you really paying for? With these bulbs, you're paying for contrast. With a wider light, you get more contrast. To the driver, well, it seems like they're seeing further down the road, but the headlight may not be brighter. This goes for HID lights, halogen, and also LED lights on some vehicles. And it applies to not just the headlights, but also the tail lights, side marker lights, and even some daytime running lamps. So when you're offered a couple different options, keep in mind, you're buying contrast, and you're not really buying more wattage for the vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.